Event management is the art and science of crafting unforgettable experiences that leave people awestruck and carry wonderful memories. SlideTeam brings you PowerPoint module on event management to impress your clients and make their next event a hit. Download this ready-to-use event management PPT to plan, organize, and oversee each aspect of an occasion. Also, grab up to 15% off on your purchase. Every detail, from the lighting to the laughter at such events, is turned into brushstrokes of enchantment. Walk your audience through your organization background, explain how it started, highlight its mission and values. You can also use this PPT slide to flaunt your projects and achievements. Grab this PPT template and brief your customer about the event, its objective and target audience. Deploy this well-crafted roadmap to highlight the event flow. This builds up a buzz around your event and ensures that your clients, guests, and sponsors make the effort to witness the event. Master the art of organizing stellar events with our event management PPT deck. Download directly from the link below. Also, highlight sponsorship opportunities to grab eyeballs and ensure that the event is an unqualified success. Use this PowerPoint layout to mention special benefits for the sponsors to ensure they are on board with you. You can use this ready-made PowerPoint template to exhibit other benefits that sponsors can enjoy, such as newspapers ad, digital display, and magazine coverage. Use this PowerPoint template and help your sponsors fill these essential details and create an unforgettable event experience for the audience. Grab this PPT presentation to infuse your creations with the secret ingredient of event planning that makes moments transcend time. Download now.